Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is always down below. Post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And today I'm going to be sharing my Ipsy icon box. This is what we are looking like this month. The icon box is like an upgrade for Ipsy. So Ipsy has like their original glam bag. They now have the BoxyCharm by Ipsy since which they've had for a few months since BoxyCharm and Ipsy have merged. So their what was their glam bag plus is the BoxyCharm and stuff. And then quarterly you switch out either your glam bag or your BoxyCharm. For the icon box, you have to have one of those. And then during February, April, August, and November, those boxes will be switched out for the icon box and stuff, which I believe retails for $60 quarterly. I think it ends up being about $60 quarterly and stuff. And this one was curated by Vanessa Huggens, which I love, and I actually love this box. This is actually, it's such a good box and I'm really happy with it. I have tried out everything, so I'm mostly going to be doing an unboxing today, but I feel like that's good because I can actually like review everything and tell you guys all about everything. So we're just gonna get to it and stuff. The first thing that I got in the box is this Color Boss Master Palette by Il Makiage, and I really like this palette. The packaging's like shiny and stuff like that. I do like it and I love this palette. I've been using it for the past couple weeks and I'm completely obsessed. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today. I absolutely love it. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And yes, this is what the colors look like. I really like it. I think this is gonna be like the perfect travel palette because you just get very basic like colors in it. And they're very blendable. They're very like easy to work with, which is why I really like that palette and stuff. But yeah, that's the Color Boss Master Palette in Hondo P, and it retails for $61 and it claims to be waterproof, long lasting and stuff. And I do find that they're long lasting even without like primer or anything like that, which I love. So the next thing I got in this box is this iconic London, I know it's like very dirty because fingerprints. This is the Lip Cheek Cream Trio, which I've used, of course, and I'm wearing this corally color, and I'm wearing that corally color on my cheeks today. It's very pigmented. That's what I've noticed about it. It's very pigmented, so you can go a little crazy too easily and stuff. So you got to be like careful to like, so you definitely have to be careful. Use a light hand, only dip in a little bit because you can always add more, but then taking away less is, you know, more complicated. Like you got to use powder brush, that kind of stuff. I really like the colors. They're very pretty. I think these are gonna be perfect for like summer into fall because coral is good for like right now, but those other colors are gonna be really good for like fall, winter, which I don't even want to think about. I love my sunshine. I love my summer, so I don't even want to think about fall and winter, even though I love fall. Fall is like, I love it. And I'm not really sure what that retails. I'm not really sure what that retails for, but I'm gonna look it up right now. I wish you could like go through your Ipsy on the app without having to like go through like having to go backtrack like 10 times. It's kind of annoying. But that trio retails for $35, which I actually don't think is bad, being that you get 3 decently sized blushes. Like that's actually pretty good. Like that's basically like 11, like 60 per shade. Not too bad, not too bad. And I do like it. So next thing I got in there is this Lawless Forget the Filter Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss from Lawless, of course. I really like this. It doesn't even feel like super plumping. It is like more of a clear color, so I do like it for like every day, even with no makeup. I feel like it even looks good. And I really like lip oil, lip things. Like, I love a good gloss. And honestly, I really like it. It's not like a super strong plumping, so that's really nice, because it's always like not the best when you have like, you know, it's just when it's very intense, it's not so fun. But I do really like that. And I believe that retails for $26, which I don't really think is bad. So next I got this powder in there. I believe this is one of the items that I selected, but this is the Ultra Set Translucent Mineral Niacinamide Setting Powder from, I believe it's from Toy Factory. And stuff, and this is what the powder looks like. So it has like that sifter, which I find you can't really dunk the powder in. You kind of have to use a sifter to put your brush in there, and stuff, which isn't bad. Like, you just have to swirl it around, and honestly it makes it more natural. Like, I do like this powder. I'm a real big fan of niacinamide, I really like that it has that in there, and I really do like this powder. It's very smoothing to the face when I wear very little makeup, or when I wear full face like today. It definitely works so well. And that powder retails for $32, and I do really like it. It's just so nice, and I love it. I don't know really much more to say about it. I do like it. I really do like it. So then I got a few hair things. I got this Amika The Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. This is basically like a hair treatment. I forget what these are actually called. But it's like one of those hair treatments you can do that's very like watery, like almost feels like water. I don't know how to explain it. And stuff, and I've used a lot of this, because this is I wish this, like, that you could just pour it right out of this. That'd be so much easier, because I just pour it over my scalp, where I'll put, like, since it's so liquidy, I feel like that's the best method, but it doesn't necessarily mean you're not going to use more product. I just used one of these up, which you'll see in the empty video coming up, and I don't like that one as much as I like this one. The one thing I like about this one is that it doesn't dry out my hair. So I do this after shampoo and conditioner, and it doesn't dry out my hair. I don't feel like my hair is dry or compromised or anything like that. I don't feel like there's dryness in this. It's just very like nice, and it keeps my hair hydrated, but it also makes it shiny. I do this like maybe once a week, and it definitely, like, when my hair feels like it needs some reviving, I love it. Like, my hair has been looking shiny recently, and I've been just very much into it. And that product retails for $30, and you only have to leave it on for like 60 seconds, which I really like. And it does make my hair look soft, smooth, and silky, which I love. And also for my hair, I picked this is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I don't use dry shampoos too much anymore, but I figured this is like the only thing I was really interested in for that category, because you get to pick 3 out of 7 of your items that you get in your bag. Or box, I should say. But I really like this. I've used this before, and I do like it. I thought it was good to have like a nice dry shampoo on hand. And that one, I think, originally retails for $32. And yes, I do like it. Then I also got, for skincare, the last few things are going to be skincare related. So the first thing that I got is this Joanna Vargas. This is the Magic Serum. It's supposed to soothe and strengthen, a nourishing, soothing serum that harmonizes and skin strength support radiance, which I love, because I love a good glow. I love a good natural glow for my skin. So I really like this. It's a nice serum. It feels like more like a lotion, but it's like lighter and like liquidier, if that makes sense. And that retails for, let's see, $85, which at the end of this video, I will put on the screen the value of this bag, by the way. And then the last thing I picked, and then we'll get into my 2 add-ons, because I did do add-ons, which I've been doing a lot recently, is this No Glacial Bay clay mask. This is actually Vanessa Huggens. This is actually Vanessa's brand, which I've been really liking. I really like this mask. It's a really nice detox mask, and I might do this either tonight or tomorrow night because I feel like my skin is needing a little bit TLC. It's been looking a lot better, and honestly, since I've been using this, I feel like it does make a difference in your skin, which I really like. It's a really nice, just like mask. It's good to like suck out impurities and just like smooth the skin's like surface and that kind of stuff. I honestly do really like it. It's $45, but it's a 50 ml full-size mask. And it's not like super drying or anything like that. It sucks everything out of your skin, which I love. And it does like have like a feeling to it, but I don't mind it at all. It makes my face just feel so nice, which I love. Okay, so now let's get into my add-ons because we did do 2 add-ons. So the first one is this Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream, which I really like. I've used a little bit of this, and it is just a very baby sample, but I do really like it, and I do think it's nice. It definitely hydrates and everything. I love Glow Recipe. I have gotten some of their stuff in Ipsy's, but also just in general. And then I also wanted, this was one of the options for the actual bag to select, but a lot of times what I've noticed, and I always take note of this, is that in items that are for selection, a lot of times they also end up like being add-ons. So if you ever like can't decide, just be like, it could be an add-on and stuff, and then you can just get it as an add-on for like a discounted price. But this is the Fenty Skin Fat Water. This is a pore refining toner serum. And this is like a really big size, and I've been using this for a couple weeks, and I've only used like this much product, like that much. I believe this has niacinamide in it, and it's one of my favorite like skincare ingredients is niacinamide. It's just a really nice toner. You can use it day and night on clean skin. You basically just pour a little bit in your hand and press it into your skin with your fingers, and I just love it, and I love how it makes my skin feel. And yeah, I'm very happy with my box. I really do like everything that I got in the box. I'm very happy. I can't wait to use a lot of this stuff, and I honestly, my favorite thing about unboxings is being able to like put everything away after I do my unboxings, because this stuff has been sitting around for a couple weeks. I actually did get my box early, but I'm just now getting around to filming this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Let me know what you got in your boxes below. I always love hearing about what other people got, watching other people's unboxings and that kind of stuff, so be sure to let me know what you got in your boxes as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.